Harley and Dory's Big Splash. Harley the hyena loved to explore. He was curious about everything, especially things outside his savanna home. One day, he ventured all the way to the beach, where the waves rolled in and out, sparkling under the sun. It was Harley's first time seeing the ocean, and he couldn't believe how big and beautiful it was. As Harley played in the sand, digging holes and chasing crabs, a cheerful dolphin named Dory spotted him from the water. "Hi there," Dory called with a splash. "I'm Dory. What are you doing on the beach?" "I'm Harley," the hyena replied with a grin. "I've never been to the ocean before. It's amazing." Dory flipped in the air. "Do you want to play a game? We could race along the shore. You run, and I'll swim." "Sounds fun," Harley said, wagging his tail. The two new friends started their race. Harley ran as fast as his paws could take him, and Dory zipped through the water like a silver arrow. They laughed and cheered, splashing and kicking up sand as they raced. But as they played, Harley accidentally kicked a small rock into the water. It hit Dory's fin. "Ouch!" Dory cried, stopping in her tracks. Harley skidded to a stop. "Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Are you okay?" Dory winced and swam in a circle. "It's not too bad, but it really hurt." "I'm so sorry," Harley said, ears drooping. "I wasn't paying attention." Dory sighed, feeling upset. "You should be more careful. That wasn't nice." Harley sat down on the sand, feeling terrible. He wanted to fix things, but Dory swam away, leaving him alone. For a while, Harley sat quietly, watching the waves. He thought about how much fun they'd had and how sad he was that his mistake had ruined it. Then he had an idea. He found a piece of soft green seaweed and shaped it into a little bracelet. "Maybe this will show Dory I'm really sorry," he thought. When Dory swam back a little while later, Harley held out the seaweed bracelet. "Dory, I'm so sorry I hurt you. I made this for you. Can you forgive me?" Dory looked at the bracelet and smiled. "That's really sweet, Harley. I know you didn't mean to hurt me. I forgive you." Harley's tail wagged happily. "Thanks, Dory. I'll be more careful next time." The two friends played together again, splashing and laughing as the sun set over the ocean. They realized that their friendship was more important than a little mistake.